Today, I'm going to show you how to install ditch lights on your car. This is my 2025 Ford Ranger. Now, the car itself performs exceptionally well, but one thing it lacks is some close proximity lighting for when I'm wheeling off-road. This ditch light install is what's going to fix that problem. What bracket do you need to mount to your car? Well, this is a universal bracket, so it fits pretty much every car. Instead of mounting to the hood's hinge system, we're going to be mounting directly to the bonnet. You want to make sure that this part of the bonnet is extremely clean. If there's any dust or grime underneath this clamp, it's going to just destroy the paint on your car. You can see that it has a rubber pad on the top layer. This will protect your paint, but only if the bonnet's clean. All you need is a microfiber cloth and some soapy water, and we're going to wipe this all down. Once that's all cleaned up, we can now install the clamp. You can mount it anywhere on the edge of your bonnet here. Because we're installing ditch lights, I'm going to be mounting on the very corner. You can now grab our clamp, start loosening off these bolts here. There's also two screws on the bottom that act as spacers for when you put this little clip inside. With the clip inside, it gives you a good base to clamp onto. Keeping pressure on the bottom plate, you want to push the top down so that it's seated. Then you can start tightening up the bolts. You don't want to be tightening these down too much, so just a little bit on each side until it feels tight, and that's not going anywhere. Before going any further, you want to make sure that the bottom plate is 100% seated. As we can see, it's nice and tight up against the hood, and the top section is lying perfectly flat. Next, you just got to choose the right light. You can use any smaller size light, but I'm going to be using the ZBAD1 amber lights to match my roof. Just grab your mounting bracket and your mounting screw. Make sure that your screw is not longer than the bracket, otherwise this could hit your bonnet. And just like that, we're all done. And remember, as always, get yours at ZBAD1.com.